The subject I like best. The subject I like best is math. I enjoy solving problems and finding the right answers. Math is like a puzzle, and I love figuring it out. In our class, we learn to add, subtract, multiply, and divide. My favorite part is solving word problems because they make me think. I also enjoy learning about shapes, patterns, and numbers. Math is helpful in everyday life. I use it when I count money, measure ingredients while cooking, or even when I play games. It makes me feel smart and confident when I solve a tricky question. I like math because it is fun, useful, and challenges me to do my best. That's why math is the subject I like the most.